Good day to you from A2C Power Sports, located in San Antonio, Texas at 519 Seguin Street. Our number is 210-900-0669. And today we're featuring a 125cc dirt bike. It's fully automatic, electric start. So I mentioned 125cc motor, kickstand, nice knobby wheels on the back, plenty of room to sit on. Simple handlebars, hydraulic brakes, front and back. There's your beautiful muffler. There's a kickstart, hydraulic pump, engine, spoke wheels, knobby tires on the front too. This is the X16 Volt. Super heavy duty, popular with teenagers and adults as well. So come on by, take a look at it. We'll get it up and running for you, get it started if you like. Brand new, has never been started at this moment. So once again, A2C Power Sports, located at 519 Seguin Street in San Antonio, Texas. Or give us a call, 210-900-0669. We have layaway, we have easy financing. Just give us a call, come on by, check it out. Have a great day.